and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the last 3 sections of the Projects tab in the SEMrush tool. So one of them is Ad Builder, Organic Traffic Insights, and the last one is Content Analyzer. And before beginning the video, I would like to say that I hope that all of you are in good health and all of you are practicing social distancing and taking good care of yourselves. If you're not, please pay attention to yourself and also to your surroundings. Without further ado, let's jump in. So at first we have Ad Builder. And here we can see that you can create ads and you can find ideas for them, and you can also see how they will be displayed on different search engines and on different resources that you'll be utilizing. So what is Ad Builder? We're going to go into the last tab, which is about to know more about it. Okay, so Ad Builder helps you create compelling ad text, analyze your competitors' ads, preview your ads, and assign the newly created ads to existing keyword groups. Now, this is the part where search engine marketing comes in. So SEMrush has not only SEO, not only SMM, not only listings and management, but also search engine marketing. So it's an all-in-one tool. You can do almost anything for your marketing when it comes to SEMrush. So in Ad Builder, we have dynamic keyword insertion, and keyword insertion can help improve your ad's relevance to potential customers by automatically updating your ads with the keywords in your ad group that cause your ads to show. And then we have tracking template. You can insert URL parameters into your URLs so that your URLs track information about a click. So we have tracking template, we have dynamic keyword insertion, we have duplicate ads as well. The ad can be duplicated and added to any selected group or multiple groups at once, thus there is no need to create typical ads manually from the beginning. So there's a lot of convenience. If you're trying to save your time and you're trying to run different ad campaigns, you can duplicate ads from Ad Builder as well. And then you can also create ads without groups. If you remove a whole campaign or ad groups containing ads, all the ads are transferred to the special sections Ads Without Groups, aka Orphans. Now that is a little harsh. In consequence, these ads could be used for other groups or could be deleted if it's needed. You can use a drag and drop to move ads to a specified ad group. So even if you don't have a category or a group for your ad, you can also still have them. You can place them in the Ads Without Group section. So this is a very useful section of SEMrush. You can create ad and you can do ad research. You can find ideas for your ad. You can insert a domain of your competitor and their keywords in order to see how their ads are running and what is exactly the context of their ad. So let's just say that we want to use this domain here to search for their ads. We're gonna see what pops up. Okay, so this might not be the correct database, and since SEMrush has a very large and diverse database, it is impossible that it cannot pull up any sort of data for you. So we'll just ignore this for now. We're gonna move on to Organic Traffic Insights. Okay, so Organic Traffic Insights is pretty self-explanatory. It describes the organic traffic that your project is getting, and it tells you about keywords, about the number of users, about sessions, bounce rate, and goal of completion as well. So, and I think this is powered by Google Analytics, or maybe SEMrush is partnering with Google Analytics to bring on this information. So if we click on this, we'll be directed to Google Analytics, where you can log in and you can see these in a more detailed version. So this might be something that is not very well equipped or not very well explained in the SEMrush tool, and the detailed analysis can be found in Google Analytics. So this is a very wise strategy. You can keep track of your organic search traffic from here, but if you want a detailed report, if you want a detailed and authentic report, you can just click on this and you can move on to Google Analytics to get a better idea of what is going on when it comes to your organic search traffic or just your organic traffic insights. We're gonna move on to Content Analyzer. Okay, so in Content Analyzer, what SEMrush does is it tries to optimize your content, the tone, the overall nature of your content, and its relevancy to your targeted audience. If we scroll down, we can see that it shows you different suggestions about any articles that you should rewrite or remove, you need to update, you need to review them quickly, or anyone with poor content. And you can also create your own set with any categories that you'd like to add. And you see the poor content can help you understand the relevancy and the overall uniqueness of your content and how and why you should optimize it. So this is a very useful section for your content writer. Any content writer on your team needs to check this so they can understand the kind of flow their work should have when it comes to SEO writing and writing blogs, which should be optimized according to search engines and SERP and whatnot. So we're gonna move on to post tracking now. Okay, so track your competitors or your guest posts. Add the URL of the article you want to analyze and measure its performance by tracking its backlinks, keyword rankings, and social share. How it works: you add the URL of the article you'd like to check, then they will collect the information which is necessary and update it on a daily basis, and you can compare articles and evaluate how well they are performing. So from here on, you can keep a direct check on the progress of your competitors without having to, buy a very specific, expensive or fancy tool. You can just come in here, you can put in their URL or their article that you would like to know the stats for, and you can compare your content and their content to see how well they're performing and what you could be lacking or what they could be lacking. So it's a very good way to understand your marketing strategy and to optimize it according to your competitors and the ideas that they are promoting in the world in their niche. So that's it for today, and this marks the completion of our project section in the SEMrush tool. We hope it was useful for you, and go ahead and use this section like just we told you for your own self.